Hello everybody, we're here East Progress Drive in Englewood. Rekeying a lock for a business. Actually it's a key without any numbers, so our technician Zach is here. Say hi, Zach.
Hey.
He's gonna guess the numbers quickly and make sure the new lock will be operating with the existing key that the customer requested. So tell us what you're doing, Zach.
So basically this is the client's key. It has no numbers on it, so I'm guessing the pins right now. I'm starting from the large one and then I'm going up or down depending on how it sits in the cylinder.
And this is the rekey set that you're using, correct?
Correct.
Do you always rekey locks on the grass outside of the business?
No, not at all. Usually I find a table, but unfortunately today I'm on the grass.
It's nice out, definitely.
Yeah, it's nice out. 270.
Okay. While Zach is doing that, we're going to show you the actual door. It has a panic bar, push bar, emergency exit only. This is the door that they're using for an emergency exit, and they had a problem with the mortise lock. Did not function correctly. We end up replacing it and rekey the new lock to the existing key. So in the next video we're going to show you the installation of the actual mortise. This is an Adams Wright mechanism with a latch installed with a panic bar and a mortise on the other side. How's it going, Zach?
It's alright. So far so good.
Okay, trust us, it's easy.
It's easy.